Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is December 6th, 2024, and we're diving into TLYS' latest earnings report for the third quarter of fiscal 2024. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. TLYS, a well-known specialty retailer, has just released their third quarter results, and there's a lot to unpack, from sales performance to profitability challenges.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. TLYS reported net sales of $143.4 million for the third quarter, which is a 13.8% decrease compared to last year. John, what are the main factors behind this decline?
The decrease in net sales is primarily due to the calendar shift from last year's 53rd week, which affected the back-to-school sales volume. This shift resulted in an $18.4 million reduction in this quarter's sales. Additionally, comparable net sales, including both physical stores and e-commerce, decreased by 3.4%.
And how did this impact their profitability?
Well, the net loss for the quarter was $12.9 million, translating to a net loss per share of 43 cents. This is a significant increase from the 0.3 net loss per share reported last year. The decline in sales, coupled with higher SG&A expenses, has certainly impacted their bottom line.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Despite the challenges, TLYS managed to maintain a gross profit of $37.2 million. How did they achieve this, and what does it mean for their operational efficiency?
The gross profit margin was 25.9%, down from 29.3% last year. While product margins remained consistent, the buying, distribution, and occupancy costs deleveraged by 320 basis points. This indicates that TLYS is facing challenges in managing these costs against lower sales volumes.
Looking ahead, what is TLYS' outlook for the fourth quarter?
TLYS expects net sales to range between $149 million and $156 million, with a comparable net sales decrease of 9% to 5%. They are also anticipating product margin improvements of about 200 basis points. However, they project a pre-tax and net loss in the range of $13.0 million to $9.5 million.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 27 cents for TLYS, but the actual EPS came in at 43. John, what does this discrepancy tell us?
This EPS miss of 16 cents indicates that TLYS' performance was below expectations. The forecast was based on a survey of 2 analysts, and the larger-than-expected loss reflects the challenges TLYS is facing in terms of sales and cost management.
How might this affect investor sentiment?
Such a miss can lead to negative sentiment among investors, as it suggests that the company is struggling more than anticipated. It highlights the need for TLYS to address its operational inefficiencies and improve its sales strategy.
Company leadership insights. Hezy Shaked, TLYS CEO, mentioned some positive aspects in their report. Can you elaborate on these?
Yes, Hezy Shaked highlighted that the third quarter saw the best quarterly comp sales performance since fiscal 2021 and the first month of positive comp sales since February 2022. Additionally, they experienced their second consecutive quarter of year-over-year store traffic growth, which is encouraging.
And what about their product margins?
Shaked noted that while they are disappointed with early fourth quarter net sales, they are somewhat encouraged by improved product margins. This suggests that TLYS is making progress in optimizing their product offerings and pricing strategies.
Key takeaways. In summary, TLYS' third quarter performance reflects significant challenges, with a notable decline in net sales and a larger-than-expected net loss. However, there are some positive signs, such as improved product margins and store traffic growth. John, any final thoughts on TLYS' investment prospects?
While TLYS is facing a tough environment, their efforts to improve margins and traffic are steps in the right direction. Investors should watch how these initiatives translate into future performance, especially in the upcoming holiday season.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on TLYS performance in the comments below.